So clean start here for the four ladies in this women's 400 meters hurdles field. Genevieve Russell has started strongest of all. Onto the backstretch already. Ristanana Tracy in the mix as well, and so too the 2019 World Championship bronze medalist Rochelle Clayton. Those three away from the rest of the field. So in charge at the moment is Genevieve Russell, 55.45 so far this season. Rochelle Clayton, Ristanana Bailey Cole, the top three in this event. Genevieve Russell leads them home into the home stretch now, and it's Genevieve Russell from Clayton and Bailey Cole. Genevieve Russell cleared the final barrier, and she cruises through to the line. 54.79, that's the season's best for Genevieve Russell. Rochelle Clayton in second, and Ristanana Bailey Cole in third. 54.75 for Russell Clayton. 56.83 in second.